Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy Book4. So first open a browser and type in QR scanner and enter. Now open QR scanner that you found. Let me just change the language. Here you can upload the file with QR code on or scan QR code. Allow your camera. Now put in the QR code. And here you have the link. Open. And now you're open. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.